We are back at the house at the lake, and I thought I would do a little bit of an update. It's been a couple of weeks since I've done any filming, so let's see what we've accomplished. My Palmer's in there making some noise, but in this front room I've got this lower wall area all painted up the lighter yellow. There's some trash here in the middle, and I've gotten a little bit of this wall painted. I ran out of paint, so that's where I'm at with that. But I got the window casing, I guess, area figured out and painted, so I just got to get more. I am pretty much having to hand paint all this brick because it's so textured, which is not very fun. But there's only one wall left of this anyway. Okay, so coming in here, this still looks like it still looks like, but right here is something different. This is the back side of the closet in the middle bedroom. So you can see a little bit here how it's built. Still have to paint it and everything, do some finishing on it, but that's the little closet, and there's a hole in the wall on the other side for the door. This thing is still just sitting there. And this room, this tiny room that had the mattress in it, is empty, and I painted it today. It is this garden flower green. It's the paint I use in our little apartment in Spartanburg. It's still drying, but the green on the walls makes it look a lot nicer. Ooh, excuse me, so make you dizzy. It looks a lot nicer in there. Just with that, still have to do trim, painting, and all that, but good little room. And here, the living room is pretty much just where we store all of our stuff. I've got the windows open. It's a beautiful day outside, and I met the neighbors, so that's exciting. Everything's still pretty much the same through here. In this room, this is where the new closet lives. This was the washer and dryer stuff that still has to come out. I think I'm gonna paint this room the gray color that we usually use. Same thing in the living room, we'll see. The bathroom, this door is still here for now. It's gonna become a wall, and we're gonna put the door here to our right. But I've been practicing some of the green paint in here. I think it'll be all right. I think we can make it look cute. I'm still bit by bit pulling up the floor. It's very sticky and annoying. The only other things that have been done, the kitchen, we've taken some, I think this is about what it was. We've taken stuff out. I also tested the green in here. I think it will look nice, but we'll see. The dining room is kind of a more done space already, so I went ahead and painted these walls. Also that same garden flower. It's a little bit difficult to see. Our lighting is part daylight, part old light. This is our new walkway and the new stairs that are very lovely. This room still looks about the same. Just have to paint all of that. This is going to become that garden flower green, so it's going to be a lighter shade of green than it is now, which means I get to paint more brick, but only this little section. So hopefully my arm won't fall off. This is what that garden flower looks like on top of this darker green. You can see in the dining room behind it. It seems really green until it's beside something really green, and then it kind of looks not. But it's really pretty in real life. I don't know how it's looking on camera. And then in this room, Palmer's building another closet. So he filled in the doorway to that little entryway And this is his new closet. Yay! There you go. It's gonna be good, probably. It's a work in progress. This room also holds tools, and that's about it. All right, that's what we've done so far.